Today, AgroSuper is Chile's leading agribusiness company with more than 50 years of experience. In 1955, AgroSuper initiated its operations with the production of eggs. Years later, it expanded into the production and sale of chickens. Inspired by its people, its business, and its country, and motivated by an ambitious dream to grow, in the 1980s, AgroSuper began diversifying from its poultry operations into the production of pork, sausages and ready-prepared meats, salmon for export, and turkey meat. Products created with the same high efficiency and having the same superior quality that characterize the company's chicken meat operations and cuts. AgroSuper is now the nation's largest agribusiness company, with full product traceability thanks to its complete vertical integration and environmental protection strategies in all of its subsidiaries and affiliates. In 1989, AgroSuper established Los Fiordos, a producer, processor, and distributor of several kinds of salmon, farmed in fresh and saltwater sites in southern Chile. Through its years of experience in the poultry and swine industries, AgroSuper was able to rapidly build a highly successful salmon production operation, which once again confirmed and strengthened its leadership in Chile's agribusiness sector. Today, Los Fiordos is completely vertically integrated and one of the world's leading salmon companies. With farming centers situated in the Aysén region, Puyuhuapi Channel, and Huaytecas Archipelago, a processing plant in Cayón, 5 state-of-the-art hatcheries, 3 for smolts and 2 for broodstocks, and a salmon feed plant and administrative offices located in Pargua. Los Fiordos is the most advanced salmon farming company in the Southern Hemisphere. Los Fiordos selected these remote waters due to their purity, temperature, salinity, and protective surroundings, and is fully committed to harmonizing its activities with the community and the environment. The company participates in the international market through its brand, Super Salmon. The excellent consumer response is another testimony to AgroSuper's extensive experience in large-scale meat production. Since its creation, the company has achieved a dramatic increase in its production levels, largely through the strengthening of its fresh and saltwater farming operations. Los Fiordos owns and manages 5 hatcheries, which produce 100% of its Atlantic, coho, and trout salmon smolts, all raised under extremely strict sanitation conditions. Its 2 broodstock hatcheries, Catripuy for Atlantic salmon and Magdalena for coho and trout, have a combined production capacity of 50 million eggs per year. In May 2010, Catripuy released its first egg production from salmon broodstock cultivated in a controlled environment during all their life cycle. This was the culmination of a 4-year program that yielded excellent results. In early 2007, the $15 million Curarrehue hatchery, capable of producing 10,100,000 smolts per year, launched its operations. Today, with the Melipeuco and Emperador hatcheries, Los Fiordos' total production capacity is 16.5 million 100-gram smolts per year of Atlantic, trout, and coho salmon. In October 2007, Los Fiordos began producing salmon feed at its new $30 million Pargua plant, endowed with a 185,000 metric tons per year production capacity. This facility enables Los Fiordos to exert better control over the quality of the raw materials for its feed and the diet of its fish. Since November 2003, Los Fiordos has been transporting all of its Atlantic salmon to its Cayón processing plant by wellboat. to safeguard the freshness of the fish and the quality of the products. In second semester 2004, the company began using the same system for its trout and coho salmon production to provide the market with the freshest possible products. Beginning in mid-2009, Los Fiordos has used closed wellboats in which the water temperature and oxygen levels are controlled to ensure that all of the fish remain alive during their transport. This technology also helps to prevent contamination and disease transmission. At the processing plant, the live fish are offloaded into holding tanks and, when required, sent through underground pipes to the production facility. Today, no other national salmon producer employs these biosecurity measures. In November 2001, Los Fiordos Salmon Processing Plant in Cajon initiated its operations, becoming the largest facility in Latin America with a production capacity of 130,000 metric tons of fish per year and the most advanced and efficient in the country. In early 2004, Los Fiordos Salmon Plant in Cajon was the first in Chile to process 100% of its fish pre-rigor, with fresh products harvested, processed, and packed in less than 2 hours, and frozen products in less than 4 hours. These production times are unique in the industry and allow the company to supply its clients around the world with products unmatched in freshness and quality. Through its 3 filleting lines, IQF tunnels, super contact technology, and high added value production capacity, the plant produces whole, headed and gutted salmon, salmon fillets, portions and loins, and other products. In December 2002, Los Fiordos was the first salmon company in Chile to attain the certification of its Operational Integrity Management System, based on ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OSIS 18001, HACCP, BRC, and IFS standards. This certification, which covers the company's farming centers and processing plant in Cajon, as well as its administrative and commercial facilities in Paraguay, was audited by the renowned German Registrar for Management Systems, DQS. By early 2007, Los Fiordos' 5 hatcheries and its Paraguay salmon feed plant were also fully certified. As a result, the company became the first salmon producer in the world to be certified in every stage of its production process. Through these latest technological advances and achievements, Los Fiordos will continue expanding its participation in the international salmon market, from the United States and Latin America to Europe and Asia, striving to harvest 80,000 metric tons annually by 2013. To keep pace with the growing world demand for salmon, Los Fiordos and its brand Super Salmon have taken a major step forward in their development and strengthened their long-standing commitment to excellence. As a result, Los Fiordos is today the most advanced salmon farming company in the Southern Hemisphere. AgroSuper, success born of leadership.